So this is just a super quick video. In fact, I'm going to be deleting this video literally in a few hours. But I just wanted to quickly check in because if you're interested in joining Learn to Paint with Confidence, there is a 35% discount flash sale happening and the discount ends today. So if you are wanting to step away from relying on tutorials and to create your own beautiful, unique artwork in your own style, then this course is for you. In the course, I share my 3-step approach to creating beautiful, unique artwork with confidence. The first kind of step is focusing on the mindset and the way that we approach our artwork. This is a thing that many art courses, in fact, most, if not all, art courses actually miss out. And I think it's the most important thing because it's what's going to help you continue in your art journey and it's going to really change the way you approach your artwork. Then the second step is to improve the 5 core skills, which I'll list here. And we do a deep dive on each of these with lots of exercises, lots of like intensive training modules with loads of information, so you can really start to improve your skills in a really fast and efficient way so that you can see that progress in your work as fast as possible, which is my aim for everybody. And then the third step is to find your style and really discover what it is that lights you up on the inside and how you can then share that creatively in your artwork. And then in the last module, I go through my 7-step system to creating any painting from any reference. And that is literally like block by block, you go through the program and you will create your own beautiful, unique artwork by the end of the course. So if that all sounds like something that you are interested in, I will pop a link in the description box and I'll also pop a link in the top of the comments, which you can come and have a look at the program, come and see if it's right for you. Honestly, I'm not going to try and convince anybody to join because I don't want you to join if it's not going to be right for you, because that doesn't help anybody. Like, this course is designed for a very specific person, and that person is someone that is ready to take their art seriously and invest in it and invest in your own creativity as an outlet for you. It's also for people that feel tied to tutorials but don't necessarily want to be and really want to start to branch out to create their own unique artwork and to discover your unique voice and style. So it might not be for everybody, but if that sounds like that is you, then check it out. Go and have a look at the information. If you have any questions, I am more than happy to help. I will be continually checking for new comments and new questions, so leave your comment in the comments box below. Or if you would prefer to keep your question private, that's absolutely fine. You can either DM me on Instagram or you can email me at shop@katiejobling.com. I can't speak. So I'll pop that email on the screen as well because I said that very confusingly. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and if you would like to join, it would be absolutely amazing to have you in the course. There is a 60-day satisfaction guarantee that comes with the course. So if you join and within 60 days you feel like it's not for you, then you can get a full refund. No questions asked. Like, that's absolutely fine. Because again, I'm not here to like rob people. I only want people in the program that want to be there, and that's the community that I want to grow. So if that sounds good to you, it would be wonderful, and it would be such an honor for me to be a part of your journey. That would mean so much. So yeah, have a beautiful, inspiring day wherever you are and whatever you're doing, and yeah, bye.